You name any brand of the world, any brand of the world. Either we have worked with them or we are working with them. It can be Merrill Lynch to Telco to Marico to L'Oreal. More than 67 brands we have worked. We have just 3% land of the world, 6% water of the world, but 17% population of the world. And out of that 17%, 60% stays in rural India. हमारे देश में हर साल 1,20,00,000 बच्चे जन्म लेते हैं. We have just 3% land of the world, 6% water of the world, but the 17% population of the world, and that is the asset of this country. When गांव की बात आती है तो we talk कि यार वहाँ तो गरीब लोग रहते हैं. A lot of good things happening in rural India, and the first of it is education. As you know, friends, और आपको ये मालूम होना ही चाहिए, we are the largest elementary education system in the world. 15 crore students study in primary in this country, and there is only one tool in the world if you want to change this problem, is education, 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 education and education. There is no other tool. Just 20 years back, if you want to go to a primary school, आपको 8 किलोमीटर पैदल चलना पड़ता था. Today in this country, primary education is in 1.5 kilometer radius. Boss, we are not a developed country. We are a developing country. Please understand that. और ये हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी USP है. So the first is education, second is communication, third is हम इसको कहते हैं, बहुत controversial है, government spending. In this country, we have 6,37,000 villages, only 6,000 towns, and only 600 districts. 666. We have more than 5 lakh villages in this country where there is all-season road. Infrastructure and roads are very important to a business. Fourth change, MSP, again controversial. MSP means minimum support price. You go to Google and see there are 52 commodities in this country. Government decides the price of that. हमारे देश में बड़े पैमाने पे कंज्यूमर क्रिएट हो रहा है, और आपको एंटरप्रेन्योर होना है, या किसी बड़े ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का CEO भी होना है, तो आपको रूरल मालूम होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. And go to Google and see that the price of these 52 commodities in 1999 and 2022. There are minimum 200% to 2000% growth in that MSP. Means some money is reaching to farmers' pocket. There are 65 lakh outlets in rural India. So consumer बहुत ही अभी educated हुआ है because of education, communication, and now he has the money कि मैं किसके ऊपर लगाऊं, because he wants value for money. The last is पंचायत राज, because गांव कैसे चलता है, पंचायत समिति कैसे चलती है, जिला परिषद कैसे चलता है, विधानसभा कैसे चलती है, लोकसभा कैसे चलती है, किसी को पता नहीं है. But they are the policy maker. They are going to decide कि हमारे देश में क्या होने वाला है. You are not going to decide. Please understand that. पंचायत राज के दो फायदे बहुत ज्यादा हो गए, वो ध्यान में रखना हमेशा. पहला वाला, डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन ऑफ पावर. पंचायत राज से बहुत अच्छा काम हो गया हमारे देश में. Previously, if they want to do anything in village, they have to go to a taluka place, to a district place, to a capital place, to a cabinet minister, to a central minister, and get the permission. Now they can take a call there and there only, all thanks to Panchayat Raj. Second is woman council member in every Gram Panchayat, Panchayat Samiti, Jilla Parishad and Vidhan Sabha. There are 8.5 lakh women council member in this country, and by rotation she becomes a sarpanch of a village, and who understand sanitation and child care better than a female. Today there is a face who is an elected lady. She is the face of a village. Through her, you can reach to that 49% population of the country that is female.